Pero yung mga binitawang shots na nung third overtime, pinakita mo yung desire mo na huwag sumuko. Ano masasabi mo sa panalo niyo?
Una-una, nagpapasalamat ako sa Panginoon sa strength na binigay niya sa team namin. And yun, shoutout sa trainer namin, kay Coach Diego. Kasi hindi namin kakayanin yung tatlong overtime, kundi dahil sa mga training na binibigay niya sa amin. So yun, sa unang pa lang kung para sa kanila talaga, hindi na shoot yung tira ni Nui. Diba? So I feel lang na binibigay talaga ni Lord sa amin basta pagtrabahuan lang namin yung panalo. Yun lang.
Coach, nasa inyo ang momentum coming into Sunday's do or die. Pero how will the team prepare physically and mentally, lalo na kakagaling nila sa exhausting na third overtime?
Yeah, first of all, wala pa kaming ginagawa. No? Then like Bong said, thank you kay Lord, but it's just one game, diba? So, kahit anong ginawa namin, Phoenix, very resilient team. You can see madami silang mga bata doon na marunong to play physical, right? You have Tuffin, you have Mokon, you have Perkins. Import's pretty good. I just don't know how we did that. That was 3 overtimes. So si Bong nga, 44 minutes. But he said a lot of heroes in this game. Nu hit that big shot. We had 6 guys in double figures. So I mean, whatever it takes. Whatever it takes. I think right now we've been in this situation before. I think na we have to keep that momentum going. A lot of respect sa Phoenix. We were down ilang points, mga 15. So we know it's gonna be a battle, and with them you cannot rest.
Coach, your team never gave up. What impressed you the most sa mentality ng players?
Yeah, just sometimes you have to find ways At na-injure si Cliff, di ba? So si Bong was comfortable at the 3. Kailangan niya mag-4. We had to play him small, but he's sanay playing that. In that run, 1, 2, 3, 4 nilalaro nito. No? They're a different team. Phoenix doesn't have quit in them. I have the highest respect for Coach Jamaic. What he's done a lot with that group. Madami siya mga bago. They believe in what they're doing. And, this is what you want. I mean, if I could get a game, I want to play it now. Let's go now if we could play now. I don't want to wait 2 days. Buo yung loob namin. We're excited. You want to play in this type of games. I'm sure these guys want to. If we could get it now, play it tomorrow, hukas lang muna natin.
We are now opening the floor if the media has any questions.
Congrats. Coach, in 2 games against Phoenix, kayo lagi yung nag-aabol. This time you got the job done. Able to get a win. For Sunday's game, you press that na kahit paano, can set the tempo or
Ang laki ng respeto ko sa koponan ng Phoenix. If you see them, the way they play, they've defeated a lot of teams. Madami na sila na upset, right? And they're not anymore, you look at them, they reached second place for a reason, diba? And you can say magaling si Coach Jamaic, si Perkins, si Selty, madami silang materyales. Sa amin lang, I don't know, every time we face them, you have to give them respect. Tinatambakan kami ng 15, diba? So obviously we have a lot to improve on in terms of that. Nakita ko medyo gigil lang kami ng start, but eventually they settled in, and you have to make these guys play. Sila naglalaro sa loob. It's gonna come down again to that. Aggressive team's gonna win. Sa akin, looking at it, we have an opportunity here to make the semis. We deserve to be there too. So it's not for me. I know it's not gonna be easy. Balik kami sa drawing board, pag-usapan namin sa staff and get these guys ready in 2 days.
Coach, over the past few years, you've been in this position number 5. You've beaten, I think, Ginebra and San Miguel over the course of those times. So, medyo comfortable ka ba even with it being at number 5 because it has happened before?
No naman, we look at it 1 game at a time. I think that's the way you have to look at it. Siyempre, nung natalo namin Ginebra, best of 3 yun. and we had to lose one, and it came down to a last shot by Raymond Almazan, right? Yung San Miguel, just, seeing, I think that was also something good, but sa totoo lang, wala si Junmar, wala si Ross, wala yung mga big stars sila. Although we did that, right? This is a different Phoenix team, they're complete. And the thing, yung nakikita ko sa Phoenix, kahit kulang ang pyesa nila, they have a solid 7 guys, 6 guys, but they play as a team. And I think today, nagkamuyan na yung players ko, lumaban sila. And, we have to talk to Sean also to keep his cool a little bit. He needs to zone in and those things, but you're right, this is what you want. Triple overtime, both teams going at it, high quality game. Let's bring it. We're ready for it. We want to get it ready. Kung kaya bukas ilaro na namin. We just have also, I'm looking at it, guys have to step up. Cliff Hodge is hurt, next guy in.
Sabi ni Coach, bukas, ikaw na lang, Coach.
Ayaw ni Bong eh.
Joke lang.
Bong Q.
Coach, si Chris with the 3-point shot. Yung ESL, nagawa niya yan 4-point play this time. The conference on the line. What happened there?
Bigaya ng bola. That shot wouldn't have entered if Aaron did not give that shot. I don't think Bong would have had the game yet if they didn't trust him. Nakita namin yung mismatch. Nagbigay si Nu at sila Elaine kay Bong. Right? And Bong has a lot, I believe in BQ. I mean, he's got a lot in his game. Buwan loob ko sa kanya. We saw the mismatch, we attacked it. So, may mga points of attack kami sa game. Yung nakikita ko lang sa game na to, sa start, first half, medyo nagkakanya-kanya. Diba? Second half, I thought that the Nu had that shot, but it was because AB gave him that shot. So, same thing like that. Also, Bong got his post because nagbibigay.
Bong, nung OT nga doon, kumbaga doon nagkaroon ng scary landing si Cliff. So, mention nga ni Coach na, since Hans Perez kaya sa position na you have to play for his position. Paano mo tinipid Hans and you have to do it for 2 more periods. So, double overtime, triple overtime na wala si Cliff.
Yun nga, gaya ng sabi ni Coach, di ba nung college naglalaro ko 4. At the same time, sa kabilang team sa Phoenix, nandun si Mocon, which is naglalaro din siya ng 4. So since college pa lang, sabi ko nga sa kanya kanina na, tayo na naman magkalaban. So siguro yung challenge lang na ready ka talaga, sa practice pa lang dapat, isipin mo na pwedeng mangyari yung mga ganong sitwasyon. So yun nga, gaya ng sabi ni Coach Luigi, binigyan niya ako ng opportunity kasi marami naman kami mga bigs na pwedeng maglaro pero ako yung pinili niya na maglaro para sa 4. So yun, ang gusto ko lang talaga is mapakita ko sa team na kaya namin manalo sa ganong sitwasyon.
Coach, ano ba nangyari kay Cliff? Meron ba nakita something serious?
Hindi naman, parang incidental lang, parang accidental. Kung tumalon, I think nahulog siya and I think napakan niya yung isang pa doon. But it's part of the game. We have to be ready. With or without Cliff Hodge, it's gonna be a hard game. We're ready. It's quality basketball. Ito yung PBA. Both two good teams. We're gonna duke it out. And I'm just saying, if Cliff can't go, we have other guys. I have faith in Kyle and Raymond and those other guys too. So, we're ready.
That concludes the post-game press conference.